It's a first-of-its-kind vaccine crackdown, but it may not be the last. This morning, healthcare workers in city-run facilities have been told to either get vaccinated or be subject to weekly testing.
It is one way Mayor de Blasio is looking to increase the pace of vaccinations. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from mass vaccination site at Brooklyn Army Terminal in Sunset Park. John?
Good morning to both of you. Well, Mayor Bill de Blasio means business. He is not backing down that the most important way of beating back this pandemic is getting people vaccinated. And his office confirming with us that this new policy will begin in August.
So we've been really nice, really communicative, really respectful. I'm like, come on, people. It's time to step forward. And we're going to make that real clear.
An annoyed Mayor de Blasio has seemingly run out of patience with the slow pace of vaccinations, making bold statements yesterday like you're causing harm to others if you're not vaccinated.
What more do we have to do here at this point? This is getting insane.
So now he will mandate that workers in city-run hospitals and health clinics get vaccinated or tested weekly. About 70% of hospital workers are believed to be already vaccinated. Mark Levine, the chair of the City Council's Committee on Health, tells CBS 2's Dick Brennan he supports the mayor's move, but he would like to see even more measures.
I think we should follow the lead of other cities like Los Angeles that are asking people when they're in those kind of crowded indoor spaces where there's no screening for vaccination to put their masks back on.
And the start of the new school year may still be about 2 months away, but that is not stopping a push from the City Council Education Committee to have the city offer a fully virtual option available for city school students and their families.
Whether they're tired of the back and forth of whether schools are open or closed, whether they're concerned for their safety or their children's safety, we need to offer parents what they're asking for. So we're calling on Mayor de Blasio to make this available to every single family who wants it.
This comes as the Delta variant is exploding across the country, and a new report suggests the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is less effective against it, with antibody levels 5 to 7 times lower when exposed to the variant.
The Delta variant now represents 83% of sequenced cases.
And health experts still aren't sure whether or not a Johnson & Johnson vaccine, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine rather, will require a booster shot. We're live this morning from Sunset Park, Brooklyn. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.